Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing a speciality made in my house. We eat it for breakfast, we eat it for snack, you can eat it for whatever you like. This is Handva. I hope you enjoy my recipe. To make our Handva, we need the Handva Atta, which the recipe is given in the caption. So I take my Handva Atta. You can even buy store-bought Handva Atta. Most banyas these days keep Handva Atta. To this, I'm adding some mustard seeds, some oil, and we'll be mixing this to resemble breadcrumbs. Next goes in some sour curd. I'm going to give this a good mix. And this is to be kept overnight in a warm place to ferment. So our Handva Atta has been fermented overnight. To this, I am going to add some thinly sliced onions, some chopped potatoes. I've got doodhi or bottle gourd which has been grated. Little sugar just for flavor. You can avoid the sugar totally if you don't like it. Ginger chili paste, some salt, some haldi or turmeric powder, red chili powder, and lastly some soda bi-carb. I'm going to give this a very good mix. I've got some ajwain seeds. And I'm going to give this a good mix. My Handva batter is ready. I'm going to pour this into an oven-proof dish. I'm just greasing my dish well. The Handva batter goes into the oven at about 180 degrees for 20-25 minutes. Our Handva is out of the oven. Now we need to temper it. For our tempering, I'm going to heat some oil. To my hot oil, I'm adding in some rye or mustard seeds, some white sesame or til, some curry leaves, I'm going to pour my tempering on top of my Handva. Spread it out nicely. I'm going to cut my Handva into pieces. Our Handva is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do let me know in the comments how you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.